The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Here's our next weather maker, and you'll notice to the north it's a lot more snow than what we're going to be seeing here. Cleveland, Buffalo, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, areas around Johnstown, Pennsylvania, Cumberland, Maryland, Charleston, West Virginia seeing snow. For us, we are certainly seeing snow up towards the highlands, but most of us will either see a couple of snowflakes and rain or just plain old rain for the duration of this event. Here locally, you'll notice further south along this line of precipitation, we are seeing more rain extending from near Beckley, West Virginia, all the way south into Giles, Bland, and Wythe counties. Certainly, the NRV is going to see some snow showers, and the highest terrain of the NRV could certainly see a light snowfall accumulation. But most of the snowfall accumulation is going to fall in areas north of Interstate 64. So the two counties going to see the highest amount of snow here in Virginia in our viewing area, Highland and Bath counties. Now, Pocahontas and Greenbrier counties in West Virginia probably going to see the jackpot totals because they're higher up in terrain and they're going to have the snow showers last a little bit longer, even into part of the day tomorrow. Snowshoe Mountain could see anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of snow. Areas in light blue, that's where we could see 0 to 1 inch. And again, most of you folks in light blue probably going to get 0, but if you go up above about 2,000 feet, that's where we could see a coating to about 1 inch of snow. Roanoke, Lynchburg, Southside, not going to pick up hardly any snow out of this. Could see a little bit in the way of light accumulations in Catawba, Bradshaw, or Benton Mountain, but in downtown Roanoke, absolutely no snowfall accumulation for you. 2 a.m., the precipitation starts to lighten up a little bit. 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., precipitation is for the most part gone. West slope snow showers continue into part of the day Saturday. Otherwise, on Saturday, clouds will be on the decrease, more sunshine in Lynchburg and Southside than what you're going to be seeing in the Highlands and also into the NRV. Otherwise, Saturday night, we're going to have skies partly cloudy, and Sunday is going to be a day where we're mainly sunny from sun up until sundown. Wetter in the west again, more atmospheric rivers headed towards California, and that means it's going to be quite wet in California and quite snowy in the Sierra Nevadas, even in the Cascades. So the western U.S., especially in Southern California, going to be dealing with more flooding rains and potentially feet of snow in and around Lake Tahoe. What's west eventually comes to the east, and our next weather maker after the one tonight will arrive for us later next week, beginning as soon as Wednesday night. But for the most part, I think this is a Thursday, Friday thing. And at that point in time, it's just going to be rain showers for us because we're going to be too warm for any other type of precipitation. At least that's the way it looks right now. Looks like on Thursday, temperatures will be in the lower 60s again. 42 right now, Wytheville, 43 Blacksburg, also in Roanoke, but Hot Springs are 33, which explains why you're seeing some snow right now. 47 Lynchburg, 46 in Danville. Again, most everybody's in the 40s, which explains why we're not looking at a whole lot of snowfall accumulation out of this. This winter so far in the Roanoke Valley, every month in meteorological winter has had temperatures above average. 5.5 degrees above average in December, close to 2 degrees above average in January. And so far in February, we're about 9 degrees above average, which makes it the 4th warmest winter ever on record. And warmer winters, why do you care? Because it actually has a negative effect on certain crops. It shortens the season for winter sports. Not necessarily in West Virginia because they've seen quite a bit of west slope snow showers so far this year. And it also produces a longer pest and allergy season, which is never a good thing. For tonight, scattered showers with more snow to the north. Overnight lows, 20s and 30s. If you have anybody who's traveling up to like Winchester tonight, tell them not to. It's going to be pretty nasty up in Winchester, Cumberland, Maryland area. And then for tomorrow, we're looking at highs in the 30s and 40s with increasing sunshine. Blustery tomorrow, breezy on Sunday, although Sunday we're up to 51, mainly sunny. Temperatures well into the 50s for much of next week. We're dry Saturday through Wednesday. Showers may return later next week.